Hello student, welcome back in integral classes. Today we are going to start basic concept of matrix, which are transpose of matrix, which apply in exercise 3.3. Now first is, how can we will find out the transpose of a matrix. Suppose student, we have given a matrix Aij which have order m cross n. Now we will change here, then a matrix obtained interchanging row into column. It means if we will write here its transport, then it will be become Aj and n into m. It means row change into row change into column and column change into row. So this type of matrix is called transport of matrix. We will denote it by here A dash or AT. It is called transpose of matrix. Now I am explaining here by an example. Suppose A is a matrix 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. Now we will find out here its transport. What is the order of this matrix? Here is how many rows? 1, 2. 2 rows and column 1, 2, 3. 2 cross 3 is the order of this matrix. Now we will transport here and change row into column. It is a first row. Now it will be become first column. Second row will be become in second column. So here student, what is the order of this matrix here? Now count here 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and column 1, 2. So student, as we observe here, 2 cross 3 change into 3 cross 2. This type of matrix is called transpose of matrix. Next topic is properties of matrix. So if we will take a matrix and its transport, then we'll have taken. Again we will take here transport, then it is equal to A. How can? Suppose it is a matrix A and we will take here its transport, then it will be become 2 cross 3 change into 3 cross 2. Now again we will take here its transport. Okay, so here is first row, second row, third row. Now it will be become first column, second column and third column. So it means 2 cross 3. Now again student, as we observe here, these two are equal. So this property is follow here. A transport to transport equal to A. Second property is Ka transport equal to Ka transport. It means if we have given any constant value, any scalar value, and we will multiply it by a matrix, then take here its transport, then it is equal to other side. If we will first take transport a matrix and multiply it by any constant value. Again is A plus B transport equal to, how can we will open? It is separately A transport plus B transport. Now fourth, it is very important property and it is used many times in a question and in a other also. AB transport equal to, we will first write second matrix B transport multiply A transport. It means if we have given two matrix and first we will multiply them and take transport. After multiplying, then we will get the answer is B transport or transport of B matrix is multiply of transport of A matrix. Next topic is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Now first I am explaining here symmetric matrix. which matrix is called symmetric. So student, if we have given a matrix which is a square matrix, what is the meaning of square matrix? It means row and column are equal. Then we will take here its transport. Then it will be, again we will get AJI. Okay, and AJI and A transport equal to A. It should be A equal to A dash. This type of matrix is called symmetric matrix. Now I am explained here by an example. 1 root 2 and 5. It is a matrix and it is a square matrix because it have rows and column are equal. 1 2 rows, 1 2 column. So 2 cross 2 order. Now if we will find out here its transport equal to what? Row is changed into column. 1 root 2 sorry. Again row change into column. Now student, as we observe here, both are equal matrices. 1 root 2 root 2 5, 1 root 2 root 2 5. So implies that we will get here A is equals to A transport. So if a square matrix we have given and we will find out its transport and both are equal, A equal to A transport. So this A matrix is called symmetric matrix. Now other side is skew symmetric matrix. Again student, we will consider here A is a square matrix. Okay. Now if we will take here its transport, then we will get the next matrix is Aij minus Aij. So in condition we will get A transport equal to minus A. This type of matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. Let me explain by an example also. A is given a matrix which is given here 0 E F and minus E 0 G minus F minus G and 0. It is a 3 cross 3 matrix. It is a square matrix. How many row? 1 2 3. How many column? 1 2 3. So this is a square matrix. Now here we will find the A transport. A transport what? Here 0 row change into column. 0 E F. Now second row change into second column. Minus E 0 G. Now third row minus F minus G and 0. So student, here A transport equal to, if we will take here minus sign outside of this matrix, then all of element take its opposite sign. 0 is as it is, it will be become positive. It is also positive. Here it is a positive, now it will be become negative. Again 0. Here is negative, so it will be become positive. Here is minus F, minus G and 0. So student, if we will compare here these two matrices, then what we will observe here? These are equal. So here we will get A transport equal to minus A. So student, if we have given a square matrix, then we will take its transport and transport equal to minus A. So this type of matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. Theorem is next theorem. For any square matrix with real number entries, A plus A transport is a symmetric matrix and A minus A transport is a skew symmetric matrix. we will prove here. So student, first we will let here, let x equal to a plus a transport. Now we will take transport both sides here, then x transport a plus a transport, whole transport we will consider here. Okay, now open this transport, then we know that it will be become a transport plus a transport to transport. Now student, we know that a transport to transport, it will be become again a, so we will replace here a transport plus a, and we will write here a plus a transport, which is equal to x transport. Now what is the value of here x? So we will get x transport equal to x. It means it is a symmetric matrix. What is the condition of symmetric matrix? If we have given a matrix A, then A transport equal to A, so it is a symmetric matrix. Now other side we will prove here A minus A transport is a skew symmetric matrix. So first again we will let it is a Y. Okay, now take transport to both sides, it will be become Y transport A minus A transport to transport, then Y transport equal to open transport A transport minus A transport to transport. Now it will be replaced by A, so A transport minus A, Y transport equal to, now take minus sign is common, A minus A transport. Here we will let equal to Y, so Y transport equal to minus Y. So what is the condition of skew symmetric matrix? It means if we have given a matrix, then its transport is equal to negative of matrix, then it will be called skew symmetric matrix. Next theorem is any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. It means students, A is any square matrix and we will express is the sum of, it is a symmetric matrix and it is a skew symmetric matrix. It means A equal to P plus Q. P is a symmetric matrix and Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So let's see how can we will prove here. Suppose P equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transport. Now we will take transport to both sides, so it will be become P transport 1 by 2 A plus A transport to transport. Okay, implies that here P transport equal to half of A transport and it will be become transport to transport, so it is equal to A. So here this is equal to P equal to half of A plus, we can write here P transport equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transport. Then P transport equal to what? It is replaced by here P transport equal to P. So it is the condition of symmetric matrix. Now again we will let Q here, what? Q here 1 by 2 A minus A transport. Now taking here both side transport, it will be become Q transport 1 by 2 A minus A transport to transport. Now we will open transport, then we will get in right hand side A transport minus A transport 2 transport, it will be become, and we know that A transport and again we will take transport, it will be become A. So this property we will use here, 1 by 2 A transport minus A. Now here minus sign we will common take outside, it will be become A minus A transport, it is equal to Q transport. Now what is the value of this? Q minus Q. So it is the condition of skew symmetric matrix. So as the theorem say that a square matrix is the sum of their symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Hence proved. Now student, I am explaining here exercise 3.3. This exercise is very easy. So I am doing here only some selected questions. Okay. So now question number 5th. From question number 5th we will start. For the matrices and B, verify that condition this equal to this. Now we have given here two matrices A and B. First we will find out here their transport also. A transport equal to, it is a column matrix, so it will be become a row matrix, 1 minus 4 3. Now B transport equal to what? B is a row matrix, now it will be become column matrix 1 to 1. Now from right hand side, left hand side, first A multiply B, we will find here A multiply B. Here A is 1 minus 4 3 and B is what? Minus 1 2 1. Okay. Now this row multiply, this column is multiplied by this row, so we will get 1 into minus 1 plus minus 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1. It will be become minus 1 minus 8 and plus 3. So answer we will get here what? What is the answer? Minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 and here is not comma. Minus 9 and plus 3 minus 6. Okay, it is the multiplier of AB. Now we will take here its transport, AB transport. So it will be become again minus 6 because it is a single element in a matrices. Now other side, in right hand side, B transport A transport. What is the value of B transport? B transport multiplied by A transport. B transport equal to what? Minus 1 2 1. And A transport equal to what here? This one. 1 minus 4 and 3. Now we will multiply them. Okay. Then we will get here what? Minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 4 plus 1 into 3. Then we will get minus 1 minus 8 plus 3. Again we will get minus 6. So as we observe both sides, AB transport equal to B transport multiply A transport, it means hence proved here left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. Question number 6, first part of question number 6. Now we have given a matrix and we will verify here A transport A equal to I. So student, A matrix is a 2 cross 2 order. Now we will first find out here its transport. So it is a first row, it will become first column. cos alpha and sin alpha. Second row will be become second column minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we will multiply them. A transpose A equal to A transpose equal to what here? Cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha multiply by A is here cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, so how can we will multiply? Rows of first matrix multiply by rows of first column. Then cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha, it will be become sin square alpha. Now again first row multiply by second column, cos alpha into sin alpha minus sin alpha. Okay, again minus cos alpha into sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Again second row multiply firstly first column then second column, sin alpha into cos alpha minus cos alpha into minus sin alpha. Again sin into sin square alpha, cos alpha into cos alpha plus cos square alpha. Now student, we know that it is a trigonometry identity, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1, it is also 1, and here is they are cancelled to each other. So now we will get here 1 0 0 1, which is what? It is a identity of I. Okay, got it? I think this solution. Question number 9. Find 1 by 2 A plus A transpose and 1 by 2 A minus N transpose, where A is equal to this. First student, firstly we will find out the here A transpose here. How can we will find out the transpose? Row change into a column. It is the first row 0 AB. Now it will be become first column. Second row it will be become here second column. Third row make now third column. So it is the value of A transpose. Now first we will find out here half of A plus A transpose. So firstly 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. Now put the value A here, 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0 plus A transpose what? 0 minus A minus B, A 0 minus C, B C 0. Okay. Now firstly we will add them. 1 by 2. We will add corresponding element. 0 plus 0, 0. A minus A, 0. B minus B, 0. A minus A plus A, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. C minus C, 0. Minus B plus B, 0. Minus C plus C, 0 and 0. So we will get answer is 0. Now second answer, second part 1 by 2 A minus A complement. Now we will subtract both matrices here. So A equal to what here? A equal to this 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C minus 0 minus A complement, sorry, not A complement, A transpose 0 minus A minus B, A 0 minus C, B C 0. Now here we will subtract these two. 0 minus 0 0, A minus minus plus, it will be become 2A, B plus B 2B, it will be become minus 2A, 0 minus, yes, now minus A minus 2A, 0 minus 0 0, C minus minus plus, it will be become 2C. Okay, minus B minus B minus 2B minus C minus C 2C. Now we will take 2 is common outside and cancel each other, then we will get 0 AB minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. It is the answer, and it is equal to what? It is equal to A, which is given. Now student, exercise 3.3 is finished. I have done only that question which are little bit difficult. This exercise is very easy, so rest of question try to do yourself. If you have any problem, any query, then you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you for watching video.